Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today I just want to talk about the Blue Diamond almonds, chili and lime flavored. These are a revelation. We were traveling this summer on a trip, and I'm a fan of Blue Diamond stuff before, enjoyed various flavors, but lime and chili is my weakness. These are easily the best almonds I've ever had in terms of packaged almonds. So highly recommend these if you see these and have any interest in either chili flavored or lime flavored. If you like a little bit of spice but not too much, just kind of a I don't know, it's tangy. It's got that like lime flavor, and it's actually very limey, more than some of the other lime and chili flavors available, but heavily endorsed by Chad Hates Carbs. Thanks for watching.